Welcome to the solution simulation. In this simulation, you will mix together liquids and solids and determine if you have created a heterogeneous mixture or a solution. To begin, click on the Sim tab. You will see a virtual lab with a shelf of solids and a shelf of liquids. On the workbench, you have a beaker, a thermometer, and a magnifying glass. In this simulation, you can mix a solid and a liquid, or one liquid with another liquid, and then observe the system through the magnifying glass. You may choose either a solid and then a liquid, or a liquid and then a solid. You can also mix a liquid with another liquid. In this example, I will choose a solid from the top shelf and then choose a liquid from the second shelf. The brown bottles all contain liquids, while the white bottles hold solids. Notice that all of the containers are labeled with the exception of the last container on the far right in each row, which contains an unknown solid or liquid. To choose a solid, click on it, and it will pour into the beaker. Next, choose the liquid you would like to test, and click on it to pour it into the beaker. After you have added the solid and the liquid to the beaker, you will see that the temperature is measured and displayed on the left side of the beaker. Also observe the color of the liquid. Click the Stir button underneath the beaker to mix the contents, and take note of the temperature and color after mixing. Once you have mixed the two, click on the magnifying glass to view the contents of the beaker. You will be able to see what molecules and/or ions are in the beaker, and they will be labeled. Here you will be able to see any physical changes and determine if you have a heterogeneous mixture or a solution. When you are done looking through the magnifying glass, click on the X in the top right-hand corner of the pop-up window to return to the workbench. Click on the Reset button to empty the beaker and to continue your experiments with different substances.